Hey guys, here we are tonight. I wanted to video this. I'm packing up some sausage. So what I'm doing is I got 8x10 bags that's sealed on one end. And what I'm doing is I'm putting, I already did one. I'm gonna have 2, 3, 4 meals out of this. So there we go. There's one. And what I did was I cut these into, here's one over here, 2, 3, 4. I just cut them into sections, and this is it's a family pack of country sausage is what it is. So I cut it, I like to use like a little spatula, like this. And then I'll scoop this, and then I'll just slide it into the bag, like so. There's another one. We got one more. And I'll get these in there real quick. I like buying the chicken thighs, the boneless chicken thighs, and I'll buy a big pack of them and do the same thing with it. Okay, we're back, and here's the one I did just seal, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 more. So we're gonna have 4 meals out of this family pack of sausage. So what I do is I just put it in there. You just put the bag in there, just like this. Put it in there. Get it right there on that lip. Put this down, and then hit the. It's pretty cool how this works. 25 seconds here. Everything. And then this is, and there you can see that it sealed it up. And there you have it. There's 2 of them. I mean, that's all you do. You put it in a bag like this. Set it in here like this. Make sure this is on the lip. Like so. Shut this. The button right there. Just like that. There, just sucked it all out. Sealed at the top right here. We got one more. Set it right in there. And what I've been learning about this is you got to get this on this lift here. You can kind of see it right there. Make sure that's on that lip. This thing right here. And that's going to seal this. Shut this down on top of that. Watch this thing. There you have it. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 meals out of that. Put those in the freezer. They're airtight. And I've had some in the freezer for, I don't know, a couple months, and it looks just like the day you put it in there. But what I like about it is you're using these bags. Yeah, there's no cutting, there's no, fitting the size. You can get different size bags. And I put some fish in there, and it works so fabulous. It's worth its weight in gold. And the next thing I'm gonna do is get a grinder, meat grinder. We'll be grinding up all of our stuff ourselves. We'll be sealing it up ourselves. Everything from start to finish, we're gonna be doing ourselves. No more meat cutters, no more nothing. We're gonna do it all ourselves. So that's the only way to do it. You know what's in your stuff. It's nobody else's stuff. And not everybody takes care of their game like you do. So I've had people say, is this really deer meat? Yeah, it's really deer meat. We've never tasted deer meat this good. Well, it's because whatever deer meat you got, they didn't take care of it. So you know what you did with your animal from start to finish. You've cleaned it, you've took good care of it, and you take it to the meat cutter and you don't know, they're cutting up a lot of deer during deer season. I've had deer meat come back and I couldn't even eat the stuff. So doing your stuff yourself is the way to go. And we're finally getting to a point where we can do it. I just like it because it's real easy. It took me 2 minutes to do a whole family pack of pork sausage. And it really works good on the chicken. You get a sale on chicken, you can put them in there for however many pieces you have for your family. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm pretty happy with it, and I recommend it if you can get one, to get one. I think this one cost me $275 on sale, and I think they're regularly $375, so I got $100 off. Shop around. This one is it's an Advid Armor Ultra series, and that's what it looks like. It's got the vacuum sealer, and anyway, I would recommend that one. When I was looking for them, I didn't really know what to get, and I watched YouTube and figured out which one for the price would be the best, and this one, I've used it a lot and it works good. So I would recommend that one, and you can get them on sale sometimes, $100 off. So, and it's worth its weight in gold for the food that you can save and not have to throw out because it's freezer burn or anything else. So anyway, have a good night, and I wanted to share that with you guys, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. All right.